Hi children, today we are going to start a 7th standard important chapter from science from Karnataka board and also from the uh, what is that NCERT board class 7th. That chapter name is nutrition in plants. The points, key points we are learning today, and that all importance you learn in your textbook. Nutrition is the mode of taking food by an organism and its utilization by the body. It means the mode of nutrition means the taking down of the food by the by the all organisms by the body, their body. It is utilized to grow. Okay, ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಬೈ ದ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಯುಟಿಲೈಸು ಬಾಡಿಯಿಂದನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್ that provide a nutrient to the body. The components of the foods are there. What are the components of food? Carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins. They are all provide the uh, nutrients to the body. All organisms take food and utilize it to get energy for the growth and maintains of the their body. Means every organisms take food the purpose of the energy and also for the maintaining of their body. Sugar, BP patients, they take another food, and another people take another food because of the maintain of their body. Okay, green plants synthesize their food themselves by the process of photosynthesis. They are autotrophs. Means autotrophs and heterotrophs are there. What is autotrophs? The organisms or the plants that are prepare their own food, they are called autotrophic nutrition. What is heterotrophic nutrition? The organisms that are prepare the organisms that not prepare their own food is called heterotrophs. Means what is the difference between heterotrophs and autotrophs? That is only here one point is there. Photosynthesis, green plants prepare their own food with the help of a carbon dioxide and water taken from the environment in process in the process in the process of sunlight called a chlorophyll found in the green plants for the manufacture of food. This process is called known as photosynthesis. This point is not important. That photosynthesis definition ital, please note it. The process of pre- the plants prepare their own food. Sorry, process of Allah. The plants prepare their own food by using sunlight, air, water, minerals, vitamins, nutrients is called the photosynthesis. Anything is there left? I left? No. This answer is very bad because it is very big answer is there. They ask for 1 marks. Plants use simple chemical substances like carbon dioxide, water, and minerals for the preparation for the synthesis of food. Means the plants are there, they are used the simple chemicals like carbon dioxide, water, minerals for the preparation of the food. No, so that's synthesize the food or preparation of the food. Chlorophyll and sunlight are the essential requirements for a photosynthesis. Means sunlight and the chlorophyll are there. They are very essential for the what photosynthesis. Complex chemical substances such as carbon dioxide are the products of photosynthesis. The chemical substance are the product of the photosynthesis. Solar energy is stored in the form of food in the levels with the help of a chlorophyll. Means solar energy is stored in the food. Okay. Oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis. Means the oxygen is there, that is produced in the during the photosynthesis. Another one, three points are there, I will explain that all also. Fungi derive a nutrition from a dead decaying matter. They are sub, sub they are saproproses plants like like cos Cosiscata. Means the plants, the fungi and bacteria are there. They are only they get the nutrition from the where are wait are Prasistas. They take food from the host plants. Means they are take fed food from the what that dead and decaying animals. A few plants and all animals are dependent on other for their nutrition and are called heterotrophs. Means before only I tell no that so that is all the points. So please students or any my friends, if you reading competitive for the competitive, if you studying 7th standard, if you must read these points and practice well, if you get good marks. Okay, this is the summary of the lesson. Please don't forget it. In next class another points are there, I will show now only, but I don't explain now. These are the points tomorrow we discuss. Up to that, today we discuss these points. Tomorrow, these points, we discuss. It is enough for tomorrow. So this is my Xerox copy and some information I given for you for the reading and the development of your science. Thank you very much. Please subscribe and like our channel.